Science and technology, bay or boom. Good day, everyone. Science and technology shape almost every part of our lives. From smartphone to modern medicine, they have made our world faster, easier, and more connected. With the help of technology, we can study online, communicate immediately, and get information with just one click. In many ways, it has been a great boon to society. But technology has its downside. Too much screen time weakens real social connections, and the internet can spread misinformation just as quickly as it spreads the facts. We also face problems like cybercrime, privacy issues, and environmental damage caused by technological waste. This reminds us that technology can become harmful if we use without responsibility. So, are science and technology a bane or a boon? The truth is, it is both. Everything depends on the way one uses them. We use with wisdom, they can uplift lives and help solve global problems. When used carelessly, they may present new challenges and risks. In the end, technology is a tool, and it's our responsibility to make sure it becomes a force for progress, not a source of harm.